Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to look at another kind of polynomial division called synthetic division. So synthetic division is actually just an algorithmic shortcut for polynomial division given that your divisor, or what you're dividing by, is linear. Remember that linear means it's in the form mx plus b. So here's an example of taking x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 and dividing by the linear factor x plus 1. Here's what that process would look like for long division. Now for synthetic division, we can do the same problem with a bit quicker steps. Now it might look a little bit odd to you to begin with, but let me explain where all these numbers come from. So first, in this space over here, this is the root that would go with your divisor. So we asked the question, if x plus 1 was a factor, what would the root be? Or what x value would make that factor 0? In this case, -1. So that goes over here. Next, we take the coefficients from each term. So 1x cubed comes here, 2x squared comes here, -5x comes here, and -6x comes here. That's your initial setup. Okay, so once you've got your initial setup, it's going to be a two-step process. It's going to be multiply around and then add down. So we bring down that first coefficient, that's where this 1 comes from, and then we multiply around. So -1 times 1 equals -1. So place that -1 here, and then add down. 2 plus -1 is 1. Repeat, multiply around. -1 times 1 is -1. Add down. -5 plus -1 is -6. Repeat, multiply around. -1 times 6 is +6. Add down. -6 plus 6 is 0. Once you have these numbers across the bottom, they're always going to follow the same pattern. This number on the far right is going to be your remainder. Then you go up by a power of x. So here this is your constant term. This would be your coefficient for x to the 1 power, and this would be your coefficient of x squared. So our answer is x squared plus x minus 6. So a bit easier, far less writing, and the same answer, again, as long as your divisor is linear. So let's see it in action. Let's do one ourselves. So let's use synthetic division to divide 3x cubed plus 4x, that should be 4x squared, minus 35x minus 12 by x minus 3. So we've checked and our divisor is linear, so we're going to go ahead and set up. So in our little box, we say if x minus 3 was a factor, what would the root be? Or if x minus 3 was equal to 0, what would x be? In this case, that would be 3. Then we take all of our coefficients and write them in order. So 3x cubed, 4x squared, -35x, and -12. Got our initial setup to begin. Go ahead and bring your first coefficient down, and then we're just going to do the same process again and again. Multiply around, so -3 times 3 is 9, and then add down. 4 plus 9 is 13. Repeat. Multiply around, 3 times 13 is +39. Add down. -35 plus 39 is 4. Repeat, multiply around, 3 times 4 is +12. Now add down. -12 plus 12 is 0. This last term over here is always your remainder. So we have a 0 remainder, which means x minus 3 goes evenly into our polynomial. And then each one of these is a coefficient. So this one is going to be our constant. This one will be our coefficient for x to the 1 power. And this one will be our coefficient for x squared. So our answer to our division problem is 3x squared plus 13x plus 4. Okay guys, that does it for this introduction to synthetic division. To see more examples, check back with us for a future video.